products. Okay, my voice is clear. All people, they are listening.
Yeah, yes,
Hello?
it won. You are very clear. Go ahead, please.
Okay,
Thank
very
you.
good, very good. Okay, now the people joining us in a meeting, this training session, they should know very clearly that SAP Business Technology, when we are saying platform, the platform, we cannot say this is a product. The product on the top of platform are called services, softwares, tools, and other things. In SAP Business Technology Platform, if we compare to our normal daily life, we take as a that we have airports. Dubai Airport, if you see, in Dubai Airport, several flights coming from other countries, and some flights they are landing for Dubai, and some flights they are going to only they are providing the landing and changing the flight. So all airlines and aviations providing the services. If we say as a SAP Business Technology Platform, so we have all services in SAP platform. We are managing all kind of softwares. So we have two type of softwares, software products of SAP. One is on-premise and second is cloud. Right now, if you see SAP is progressing very fast. They are providing the software on cloud, like Ariba, SuccessFactors, SAP Analytics Cloud, and several products you will see on the cloud. But exactly, they are continuing their on-premise products also. If you see one analytic product, which is called SAP Analytics Cloud, the same product have on-premise, it's a different name. A different name means it's like saying the Business Intelligence Platform 4.3. SSC have two parts. One is one we can say planning, and one business intelligence. So we are getting all services on one place in SSC Cloud, in SSC Cloud product, Analytic Cloud product. But on-premise, we have different products like business intelligence and business planning consolidation. These two products are on-premise, but separate servers. So right now, you can see the business technology platform screen here. So just let me start. Any person, if have any question, if he's not understanding, he can ask me the question. Until now, any person have question? No. Okay. All people, they have a feeling that why we are attending this training. In training, you have two words. You listen that if you are going for a gym, they are saying coaching. In training and coaching, there is a difference. When we are saying training is a one-sided communication, that if I'm communicating to you and I'm doing the all practices to you and you are watching only. But if we say that the coaching means that we will train you in a way that you will be expert for that area and that product. We will conduct the training sessions, and during between two sessions, one session, if there is a gap, definitely. So for between the other session, all the trainees, they need to do the assignments, and they will be the perfectly doing all the product parts, and they are running the processes. So they are getting familiar. So exactly for the next session, they will be confident to attend the session, because the training if we are giving the training, the people, they are learning in a way that if somebody miss one session, so next session definitely he will not be able to understand the terminologies. So the terminologies are very critical to understand, and but the step by step we are building the training. So let's start. First of all, I will give you the little introduction and architecture, and I will give you the learning path, which consultants they have to study this, they have to take this course, and at what level he will reach. So learning journey means we are starting today from here, and we will reach at some target. And any kind of consultant, uh, uh, functional consultant or technical consultant or administration consultant, he will do which certification. So you can just a minute. Yes. So getting started with SAP Business Technology Platform for SAP BTP services. Okay, BTP have services, products, tools, and all the things. Here we can see this is a screen of here. Actually, this is live server. I'm connected to with the SAP log them. Let me log in. Okay, from here you can see SAP BTP and SAP BTP Cockpit. So SAP Open Platform as a Service. Mostly all people have the background of IT, so no need to give the explanation to PaaS, SaaS, as. So we have platform as a service, mean that we are using the all services other only we are our software needs any platform which providing us the software needs without any physical servers and network infrastructure. So in BTP Cockpit, you can see it's a central web-based user interface administrator providing the access to the number of functions for configuring and managing applications and connecting them to services on BTP. It means that if one flight is coming in Dubai and it is connecting to other flight, same way we have one product on cloud and one product on premise. So we need to connect it. So we will do by the integration. So use the cockpit to manage resources, services, security, monitor application metrics, and perform actions on cloud application. So until here, we can see these. So next, I will provide you the overview. This training will provide you introduction to SAP BTP technology platform and the intelligent enterprise strategy. Learning objects. After completing this learning journey, developers, consultants, and administrators will have acquired foundational knowledge. Mean that they will know the services, they have all complete knowledge about BTP platform. The BTP platform have you can say that entrance to the we can reach to the products. These products then we can manage. When we will be expert for the BTP platform and BTP cockpit, then we can manage all the services. Right now, SAP is providing 94 services within on the top of business technology or BTP. So if we want to reach somewhere, not only BTP we will be expert at level. Definitely, we will monitor the some level databases and others, and what is the capacity, what is the security. what kind of errors are coming in the systems. Definitely that consultant will be able to do all the things. But if one consultant, he is taking the expertise, he is getting the expertise of one service, so definitely he will get very good future job and future is getting best career. Okay, you will discover the option to integrate and extend applications using the intelligent technologies. So see here again is saying we have option for integration, we have option for extending, we have option to build from zero any application or any software, as well incorporate. Okay, now SAP actually given very good technology, SAP HANA. SAP HANA is in memory technology that is a column based, not actually before it was a raw based. So table data saving right now is giving the information within seconds. So on the top of it, we will get that analytics. Analytics have very good attraction right now in with and help of analytics. We can explore the data, which was difficult before 10 years before in ERP. Exploring data in a way that it is giving you visualization shapes, graphic and colorful ideas. We can do database management, database database administration. Before database administration and operating systems, it's a basis consultant he was doing, and data management. You will also gain insight to security aspect and sustainability management. Prerequisite basic knowledge about IT landscape. So now where SAP Business Technology Platform just up giving you the picture that how it is working. Below you can see here the Business Technology Platform. On the top of it, we have Cloud ERP and industry-specific sustainable softwares. And here we have all kind of softwares and ecosystem solutions and end-to-end business processes. So what is SAP Business Technology? Again, a little bit I'm explaining you. SAP BTP, SAP BTP platform is an open platform as a service, PaaS, that delivers in-memory capabilities, core platform services, and unique services for the building and extending intelligent mobile-enabled also cloud application. Mobile-enabled application also he can, any person he can develop. The platform is designed to accelerate digital transformation. Digital transformation means that we can also production floor any kind of hardware and software integration is very easy right now because with the help of BTP. The production floor data before we and third-party data integration before it was very difficult. If one consultant, he will get the integration level capability. So right now, also it have very good career opportunity because the SAP have several products as is on the cloud like SuccessFactors, Ariba, and these are the large products. And these products need to be integrated with S/4HANA server or ERP. Also, business planning consolidation have separate server and need also integration. So integrating the systems, it's also very good capability. Okay, easily we can with at last you can see without investing in on-premise or cloud infrastructure. Before we were purchasing the infrastructure, local infrastructure. For the maintenance, we need a big team, large team. For the cloud infrastructure, also we have a requirement to manage the team. So, and I done in a company, 2014, ransomware virus attack on system, and totally system was collapsed. we recovered it and we migrated to IBM Switzerland cloud premise on the cloud from on-premise to cloud. So it's a team of 10 to 5 people. We manage it and we transferred all the data or servers to the cloud system. Right now, we are getting the product at the top of cloud and without any you will say why I'm saying that the cloud infrastructure and on-premise infrastructure. The infrastructure at the cloud, definitely we need the person that he will manage security issues, VPN issues, and other issues. That also eliminated. Second thing, he need to install the software, operating softwares. That also finished because we no need to install any operating system and the between hardware and our software. So a lot of hectic and problems solved because of SAP BTP. No, I will introduce. After this, I will give you the learning journey. Any person right now, I don't know how many people are functional consultant, how many people are administrators, and how many people consultants they are attending as a developers. So they can choose very easily, and website link from there they can check which learning journey is suitable for them. Here, business technology platform have it's SAP. Before it was saying 3 part, then it's were saying 4 to 5 parts. So it's very clearly taken from SAP website. This diagram is saying that number one, you can see application development. In application development, it's SAP given new technology, low code, no code experience. So it means that any non-developer, the coding, non-coding, non-expert for the coding, he can also develop several applications. So it will be easy for him to develop drag and drop, and with the help of a graphic level interface, uh, he will manage to develop the product or software or any application, uh, and he will take the graphic interface. So the back of that the server engine that will automatically write the code. Okay. Pro coding tooling as have several tools. Next, I will explain to you the how many tools are available. Digital experience and development of operations. Second, automation. In automation, workflow management, we have gap between ERP and ERP. Sometimes we are managing our workflows through emails. So, but it's giving on the one pro. Second, automation is a robotic process automation. Also, it's very good technology right now. It's very in high level big companies. Several processes are repeatedly doing. Some end user is doing repetitions. And also one thing is that we can getting the invoice from vendor or customer. So they are sending to the email. We can provide them a template that automatically we can configure it to automatically it can be fetch the data and send to the our SAP HANA server or ERP. Process monitoring, analytics, and automated document processing. Integration, I told you, it's a good tool, and we are integrating different type of platforms. In integration, you no need to worry about only between the SAP HANA servers. No, you can integrate with any kind of data, even Google Drive, even you can say Oracle or any kind of server, live streaming from Facebook, all kind of data you can integrate. So here we have integration part. So data and analytics. So database management, we are here. Database have our data, and that can be managed through data management, data warehouse, analytic and planning, which actually I will give you the overview that how we will activate or get the services of analytic planning with the help of BTP platform. Artificial intelligence, pre-built business artificial intelligence model. So with the help of it, we can manage all the things. Right now, artificial intelligence is a very famous topic in these days. Okay. Now, I given you the idea that SAP BTP have several services, tools, and products. So right now, I will give you the overview of that how you can choose that in which area you want to choose in a way. You can see here from here BTP cockpit. Here I can go to the learning journey, and learning journey right now in front of me. So if I'm choosing from here, business technology platform. Okay, from here I say application development and automation. I will choose from here. Okay, then from here I want that administrator, architect, business users, consultant, data analyst, and developer. I say administrator. Administrator, I have these all areas. And from here, if I want to go administrator, so I will check which certification is there, or it is only training, because some level it is giving only training, because all services and products have they don't provide the certification. So let us go for the role of developer. Developer, I'm here. You can see a BAP programming with NetWeaver. It is also, you can say, BTP service. So here I'm coming below. Yes. See, here is certification SAP Certified Developer Associate, a BAB with the SAP NetWeaver, C_TAW12. Certification detail, if I click here, it will take to me the certification page. From there, we can see. Again, I'm choosing here, I'm going back. From here, BTP. Second, I will take data analyst, artificial intelligence, and solution implementation. It's yes, SAP Certified Developer Associate. Here it's giving you the how much is the fees and topic area. In topic area, you can get the which book you need to study for this. And by the way, we will also our training, we will keep you we will provide you the services that how to pass the certification. And one also I'm saying that you will attend the training, we will provide you the CV, how to write the CV in a best way to get the job. Because when we are applying for a job, so definitely our CV counts. And mostly the companies, they are taking more than $100 to $200 for writing professional CVs. So we will also provide you the free of cost, the service that all people which will attend. And after at the end of our training, we will take the all people, they will send us the CV, and we will arrange their CV as per professional ethics. And if you will apply to anybody, definitely you will get the call and they will ask you for the technology. Because sometimes we are writing the CV in a way that software capability or that company's capabilities. We are not writing in a way that what we given the benefit. I mean, 60% to 70% people, they are managing their CV in a way that they should write what benefit they provided to the company and what they have done, their experience. So their experience and the product capabilities, these are the two different topics. Person, he has a question about learning path, or I think it is people, they know very well that how to choose their from here any all, if I'm selecting all developers. So these are the all learning paths. So I'm saying basics of BTP. And basics of BTP, the learning hub, actually learning hub have fees, so but it is giving you exactly your learning path, how you can go for the certification, and you can check. Also, these sites have some free trainings, professional level trainings. Okay, in BTP, I'm going to log in. At the end, we will do complete server level training. So right now I'm giving you the BTP architecture. And BTP architecture, again, I'm saying that when we are saying the platform mean definitely it have accounts. These accounts we have to manage in a way, and we have to understand which account will work as a which, what is the function of accounts. First of all, global account. This global account is its agreement. You can say that with the SAP. Global account is a realization of contract you made with SAP. That contract means that you are purchasing, you purchase, and what payment you have to pay, invoices will be, and taxes, and all things will be there. A global account is you to manage the directories, sub account, members, entitlements, all products which we will take, and quotas. The quota is that our entitlements and services will be used for space in GBs and other services. So the quotas and entitlements, they are interlinked to invoice you the which amount and how much you use for 1 hour or half an hour. Okay, again, I'm stopping here. Any question, because I need questions that you are attentive to listening this session. Because when some places, definitely you have a question in your mind. Please, anybody can ask me question. I will be more happy. No, nobody have no questions. Okay, next. Okay, directory, again, the directory allows you to organize and manage your sub accounts according to your technical and business needs. If people they want, I can directly go to the server. Just a minute, I will show you the accounts there, so that you feel that I'm not giving you demo. This is BTP initial screen. Now we have here this screen. you can say global account, regions, services, and notifications. So here, this is home. And in trial, you are not getting the global account. But I have a company, so I managed to get this a global account. In this global account, I have agreement with SAP that BTP is charging $10,000 in start. So they will keep this $10,000, but as I will use the services, they will deduct from that charges. So here, before we study the global account, and then we are saying that this architecture direct, just this is global account, and this is this directory. Directory A have, if we have several sub accounts, even we can BTP we can use as a, if I'm a company that just like SAP is selling the products directly to us. If one company have funds that they can purchase all software capabilities, and by own they can do to their tenants software. SAP is giving in bulk users for Ariba, for SuccessFactors, for SAP Analytics Cloud. So some company they don't want to buy a bulk of users, like SAP SSC Cloud, SAP SSC have we $36 per month SAP is providing, but 36 per month mean 5 users minimum, and 5 user minimum mean they need minimum 1 year agreement. So it is $2,160. But in a way, if one company, they will buy BTP, and from BTP they will send the users, and they can send even one user to their customers. So directives from here. Here sub account. In sub account we sub accounts. Just a minute. A global account can contain one or more sub accounts. Okay. You can deploy the application, use services, and manage your subscriptions. Sub account is in a global account are independent of each other. That if you are I'm saying that you want to sell, so global account is the agreement with the company, and if you have your customers or tenants, you can sell these accounts to 10 people or 11 people, totally separate sub accounts. This is important to consider with respect to the security, members management, data migration, integration, and so on. You plan your landscape and overall architecture. Entitlements. Entitlements, I told you, your right of provision to consume the services. So you are getting the software, and for the consumption of software, you are charged. So in other words, entitlements are the service plan that you are entitled to use. You could also say an entitlement is a booked option or are booked services you can use in your SAP BTP global account. So BTP regions, Europe, USA, and also different regions, they have cloud infrastructure. So SAP BTP sub account have application services and subscriptions. From here, if I log into account where all sub accounts are there, let it log in. Application, business application or custom development running and operating in this sub account. They can even get bounded to service and subscription inside of this sub account if needed. This practice we will do here today. that how to we bind the entitlement to the subscription and how to create the instance for SAP Analytics Cloud services. Service instance created and running in this account. Subscription, service subscription and their capability is accessible to this account. Now everybody can see this. We have account explorer, resources, boosters, system landscape, entitlements, security, and analysis. So I have created here two accounts. It's a demo SSE. In this account, if I go, actually I'm giving you during my demo that it's a live server that you can feel that what are the accounts and global accounts and sub accounts and what are the spaces. Here I can see here you can see journal, Cloud Foundry, and entitlements. So here I have entitlement 31 in this account. From here I can choose any entitlement and services and I can configure it. Services, Cloud Foundry. The Cloud Foundry for functional consultant, they have little bit difficult to understand, but it is an environment. Environment, we can say that like you if you are using Windows of your Linux or for our normal day-to-day work, office work, we are using Windows, Apple operating system, or Linux. So these are called environments. In that environment, we can make Excel sheets, we can send emails, we do, on top of it, we are using all the services. So SAP, they build a Cloud Foundry environment. Actually, three environments are there. You can say frameworks. SAP, the Cloud Foundry environment allows you to create polyglot cloud application that different applications they are getting from different area services and they are providing you the complete output. Cloud Foundry CF is an open source cloud native platform as a service which comprises a set of specifications tools around the whole application. So that I will not give you more theoretical. So here, if I go to the services, Kima also one environment and ABAP environment. In ABAP environment, you know that we can develop the applications. So here, entity relationship between the global account hierarchy is not very big issue to know. So demonstrating the SAP BTP cockpit, which I am right now showing you. So here I will show you the service directory BTP demonstrating BTP cockpit. The link is there to access the SAP BTP cockpit use. We have cockpit here and in between region and HANA on demand. The region will be US 10, EU 10. Or let's see in our case. It's a cloud cockpit and I'm connected to US, Australia, Sydney. So next I will show you that on top of BTP, we have 90 more than 94 services that we are using to for our all kind of requirement. Here, this is a service. We move from here. I will click here. Okay, I will show you because it will take time. Okay, see here you can see a BAP environment, and these all kind of services. Here we can see the categories, new features, and all the things. It's a by its category by the packages as a suite, and this is capabilities. Here we can see analytics, artificial intelligence, database, development of development productivity, digital process automation, integration, all can. So these services can be categorized. So from here, okay, right now it's there. We are there here. So here I can see that all kind of services. If I want to check which service I want to be the expert, SAP Analytic. You can see here SAP Analytic Cloud. Two options are there. It's a direct option that we can get corporate account, and this is embedded. Sorry, embedded mean that our S4HANA and SAC Cloud, they can manage. From there, we can get direct analysis. If I'm here it is showing the pricing, and pricing is a tenant hours euro 2.4 for 1 billing log cycle. So it is a tenant in hour 1, 2.76 euro. So if I'm using the 1 hour that I am paying this, so in a way you can sell this product to your tenants also, and you can use. Here two types of agreements are there. Cloud platform enterprise agreement is an consumption-based commercial. How much I'm using that. So here, this service is the pay as you go, is a consumption-based commercial model. So two models are there. So we can go for it. I'm going back again. So here I say that, let me finish from here. Data analytics. If I click here, these are all services related to data analytics. So these service, data quality service, object stores, and these SAP Analytic Cloud, SAP HANA Cloud, SAP DataSphere is old name was SAP Warehouse, SAP Data Intelligent, SAP HANA Services. Integration. If I see the integration, these are the integration here from any service you choose, and you can do the certification and you can go for it. Okay, right now we will go for the practice. Services in BTP, we deploy for any service. So this is the path. First of all, this is actually SAP Business Application Studio is a tool that can be developed. This tool can be also initiated at the BTP. For development, we want to get this tool and we deploy it, runtime. Then after this tool, we will install that SAP HANA Cloud. From HANA Cloud, we can go for authorization and trust management service. And this is complete cycle. So development, deployment, runtime, database, authorization, logging, and scaling. So you can see this is complete business process, how BTP works. Introduction, I will give you little introduction. After our last 10 minutes, we will do the practice. So automation, developer role, here professional developer or citizen developer and administrator developer. This is the integration. Integration application programming interface. So we are connecting to different data sources and data level that Here we will start a demo for how to get the service of SSE. I will create a sub account here. Let's see, we say demo SSE TRN training. TR. Region I will choose, I have to must choose some regions that will be allow me to get this service. Here, this is my company. Here I will create SAP Analytics Cloud Embedded Edition BTP service. We will, as I log into Cockpit, open Account Explorer and create new sub account. AWS landscape. Go to the entitlements and entity assignment. Select your sub account. Yeah, it's created. Demo SSE TR. I'm going to entitlements and entity assignments. From here, I will choose my demo account from here and I will select it. And go to, okay, press configure entitlement and go and then add the services plan. Here I will configure and add. From here, I will check my plan is that I will go for analytic cloud. Yes, I got it. Okay, this is standard, not free. Add a service plan. Here, I will click here. Okay, then I will save it. It is saving. Next step, we will see. Find the filter SAP Analytics. Do not forget to save. Navigate to your account via Account Explorer and just click on the link on the page. Check the Analytic Cloud Embedded Edition available entitlement and enable the Foundry. Okay, I will go. Okay, it's just saved. Now I will go to my demo account. Click here. Yes. Before I have 29 entitlements, I have now 30. Instance is 0. Subscription. So it will be created here. So I will enable Cloud Foundry environment. That environment have a big library and any kind of artificial intelligence and other things will be saved here. So that environment, on the top of this environment, this software application will be. I will have to choose standard. I will agree. Here demo account, and here my company, I will create cloud enable cloud account. Okay, then I will do the via Account Explorer. Just click and SAP Analytics Embedded Cloud is available in available Foundry, Cloud Foundry, and create a space. Okay, I will create here space. SAP demo TR. space is created. Here I will assign the quota. $50 GB. New plan, assign. Okay. Okay, here we have account created. So I will check here in demo account, because this account have all instances and subscriptions, because I already created. Here we have analytic cloud demo here. I will click here. I'm going a little bit fast, but when you will do practice by yourself, you will know all. Here I created the service key. So this service key have credentials here. If I want to check it here, view. From here, I have the link that is created for me, that I can log into SSC embedded configuration. This is SSC embedded cloud link. I will copy it and I will check my configuration is finalized or not. Okay, I got it. SAP Cloud Services sign in. But here, main thing is that I created it. If I'm logging in with my BTP account, it will show you. It seems that you don't have active account. Please contact administrator. Right now, I have to configure integration between account and between cloud services, and that I need to create a user security, and that part is little bit long to take the time. So I'm going to directly to analytic cloud. Because here we will not go for that practice, otherwise you will take we will take more time. So just, you can say that we have configured a service from here that we can use it. Other services also I can check. One service I created, that is SAP data sphere. SAP DataSphere. This is also one service that we can configure it, and DataSphere is a cloud platform that providing us the for analytics support to manage our data wrangling. So for our training, we reach up to here. We configured a SAP Analytics Cloud embedded with the service, this which is a BTP service, and SAP Analytics Cloud embedded edition. Here we log in, and this is the service. So right now you have a clear view of SAP BTP and how BTP is acting and how we can service. From here, you can study discovery-center-cloud.sap, where all services you can check from here. And second, you can check completely your learning journey from here, that which certification you want to do. So we will move to SAP Analytics Cloud. I will not go presentation one by one. I will directly go to the home screen, and from there I will show you the capability of SAP Analytics Cloud. This is home screen, and we have this sidebar, and we have this shell bar. In shell bar, here we have a burger icon. From here, hamburger icon. From here, we can change. And mostly the people they are attending the training, no need to give you very initial level training. So just I'm saying from here, home page, you can say today. For today, it is showing me the home page and what I made all kind of analysis here. So in Windows also, you can pin your application or your visualization on the desktop. Here, I pin the sample charts and digital figures from here. If I click here, I will go to home, and the catalogs. The catalogs are our within our we are several people, they are building the dashboards and they are publishing it for the sharing. All people they can visualize. And favorites, I have any report or any kind of dashboards, I can keep it as a favorite. From here, I can open. This is sample revenue analysis. Now you can see the top level our change is the story. Here you can see these are the all applications we are using, and this tab is story. So it means which application I opened here, and that will be here, and which application title it will be here. From here I can make it favorite or not favorite. From here I can close. This side we have, this is login. Here we can upload our profile picture also. This is help menu. In help you can go quick start, help, videos, all kind of help is here, available here. Here collaboration.
Can I just ask a question?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, can I ask actually what's the how is SAC linked to BTP? Because I'm very new, so can you explain?
Yeah, I can explain that if you have a kitchen in your home, you can say it's a platform. Okay. If you want to make a food or anything, you will use the tools, services to bring that product. Okay, SAC is a SAP Analytic Cloud, which is again I'm saying that several products, 94 products are there, or 20 products are there. Each product, we are managing all software through BTP cockpit. You got it, or I need to explain more?
I mean, BTP is the so-called the underlying architecture or something, and then SAC is application, is it?
Yeah, SAC is a software. It's a software product, and BTP is a management tool. When saying platform, the platform means, just I told you, the airport is a platform. That some people, they are coming to the Dubai and they are taking the visa. They have visa, they can enter to Dubai. If they don't have visa, they cannot enter. They have to fly to connect to other flight. So in BTP, we make the integration also. Okay. This software SAC Cloud, how we will manage the all kind of users? SAC Cloud, our space, this software is installed on anywhere. Okay, in our company, how we will manage this software? We will install on a system or server. Got it? Okay, on the server, if we'll install it, definitely one basis consultant will manage all technical things through for this SAC server. Right now, BTP provided the platform that all kind of technicalities, that user security, database space, how much space you need for SAC, and how to manage it, how to manage the end user and the developer and technical users for SAC. Again, it's explained. I think you got the answer.
One more thing. So when will I find the list of 94 applications? Is it listed on SAP website?
Yeah, let's see. See, this is BTP cockpit. Okay, you can see now. Okay, here you can see the services.
Yeah.
From here, I can browse. Yeah, here I have already. See, this is SAP Discovery Services software which we can use on BTP platform available here, and it's categorized here. If I say all, if I click here all, so you can see all services 94. And second thing, SAP is developing more products and they are putting on the BTP platform. Exactly, if you on premise, you have complete idea. If any infrastructure at on premise, you will see one IT department, they are managing all kind of hardware related and infrastructure, intranet, all kind of things they are managing. But SAC consult on premise, business intelligence, and any kind of software, ERP department, they are managing the software configuration, all kind of thing. Okay. For the back services for SAC, BTP is managing. BTP consultant will manage. When you are going to the airport, definitely you are sitting on a seat, but back office, the staff or aviation, they are managing all the things. So in that way, SAC have a link with the BTP. SAP have also some products that also, again, I'm saying, SuccessFactors, Ariba, S4HANA, they are running independently, but their back support definitely through BTP. BTP providing one platform that all services can be managed through one cockpit.
Also,
Also, yes, yes,
sorry.
please.
So if I mean, as in scroll down this list, I will see Ariba. I will see, is it in this list? I will see
No.
SAC.
You can see here SAC, but Ariba, it's a software that when you will purchase its linking with the BTP will be done through SAP because it's a separate product. SuccessFactors is their own product, software product, but you will manage through here because the SuccessFactors is a separate cloud services, but when you need to connect it to S/4HANA, how you will do? Through BTP. If you want to connect any service from cloud to on-premise, definitely you need BTP. In any case, you need the BTP to manage all infrastructures. If you want any data from any other database, you need BTP. So BTP is BTP is the core services providing you the all kind of management through one cockpit. Please go ahead.
So basically, Ariba is not one of the tile here, right? I mean, as in the 94 application may not be all inclusive, right? Because Ariba is not here. SuccessFactors is here, right?
Yeah, you're saying right.
Right. So meaning this 94 also may exclude, I mean, would have excluded Ariba, but I can find SAC here. I can find it here, right? If I scroll down.
Yeah, you can find here SSC, but you can find SSC also Enterprise Edition. That Enterprise Edition is directly SAP is providing.
Also, Enterprise Edition means is it on premise or?
No, cloud. And SSC, if you say analytic cloud on SAP Analytic Cloud, SAP Analytic Cloud. Here you can see. So SAP Analytic Cloud, SAP Analytic Cloud, it is independent of any other software. But SAP Analytic Cloud embedded is embedded with S/4HANA. Within S/4HANA, it will be there. So for S/4HANA, see here it's overview. SAP Analytic Cloud is all in one cloud product offer software SaaS. See, what I said to you before, BTP starting platform as a service, PaaS, PaaS. But SAP Analytic Cloud is a SaaS, software as a service, business intelligence, planning, and predictive analysis. So if you want to make it platform as a service, so you have to take it embedded edition. Why embedded edition? Because you need to, if you want, you have a big company, you are a big company, your software company, if you are selling it, you can say SAP is giving you the control room to manage all the products and selling it to your tenants for the management. Here is showing the roadmap, customer stories. So in any case, if you have a product independent of B or in BTP, definitely need to do the additions and things. See, Ariba is not here. Any question? Hello.
No.
Thank you. Thank you. So we actually provided you the services. One thing in BTP, it's more actually used for the development. For development is providing the tools. For tools, let me check which tool. SAP application. Studio. This is HANA Cloud. See, this is Business Application Studio. This is tool. If you want to use it, you want to develop anything, but it is going through BTP. Okay, one thing. If you are managing SAP HANA database, you have to do from here. Okay, any software you are managing, like SuccessFactors or Ariba or other softwares, definitely they have databases. So from their databases, you need to fetch the data to other applications. You need BTP. So let's close it. I'm going to SAP Analytic Cloud. Here we have this, and we can use this for analytics. And this Analytic Cloud have very big scope. Right now, all companies they are implementing, and also this Analytic Cloud can be used with any kind of databases, not only SAP. Mostly company they are hiring the SAC consultant. What they are asking the salaries. My department is analytics. From my department, almost 8 consultants they got the job, and they were working with me at the salary X salary, and they got 600% increment. Because why? The SAC consultants are not available. Even BTP, all services, if you check, you will not find the consultants. Right now, it's the right time to enter to BTP or any specialty. From there, you can take the services. But if you take one service, you can hold very nicely. But 2 or 3 or 4 services, it's a big uh, uh, part that you cannot manage it. So SAP Analytic Cloud have 3 parts. Number one, business intelligence. Business intelligence, and second is prediction. Last is forecast. Okay. One part SSC have very nice, that is got pre-built course, pre-built core what applications, pre-built core application. Pre-built core application have three. One part is that is a line of business, and second is industrial level contents. If we are saying industrial level contents, mean they exactly made all kind of graphs and dashboards. And in planning, we can do our budgeting, forecasting. So mostly company, they need it, they want it. Or at the last of my presentation, I given this. See, in ERP or cloud, people they have difficulty to check the data. As I joined in a company, manufacturing company, they were manufacturing. I implemented separate department was analytics open, and as I managed within 1 year, that company got 160% profitability increase and 70% sales increase. Why? Because of SAC and business intelligence. In business intelligence, definitely we have insight to the data and how to manage the company for the future. I that if I here this, we have several products. Here I click, I can check, compare, expand, full screen. I can pin it to the home. If I go to the home, you can see here graphs are here. I'm going to this. It is search to insight. It is using artificial intelligence. with the natural language, it is showing you, if I say gross profit, gross margin. Okay, I want to say gross margin by date, by currency, by organization, by ratio, by. Hello. Yes. Okay. Yes. See, with the natural language, is bring all kind of these things. So I'm going again SAP Analytic Cloud from here, home. Within 5 to 10 minutes, I will close. And here, if you have any questions, see here, these are the folders. And the folders, I have all my work here. From here, I can build a story. I have also templates from these. I can my story. The story, what is actually giving the insight to the data, that with the digital graph and digital numbers. If I click here, this. So from here, data, I can connect to the data. You can see all kind of data I can connect. From here, I can choose the Excel sheet, source of data. Databases, all category you can see. Anywhere we can connect. More than 100 connections are there. Connect to the live data, data warehouse, acquired data, Google BigQuery, Google Drive, Business, BW, S4HANA, and all applications. From here, SAP, others, Open, Human Capital, ERP, database, CRM, cloud, all kind of data we can connect from here, and we can produce very good stories. Here we have view and edit. When we build the story in this area, so we have this toolbar. Here we can build the application. If one developer want to build the application here with the JavaScript, we can make our applications. JavaScript platform is also here. So some level we need to put the graph, buttons, or some kind of applications that can operate automatically, prediction, forecast. So at some level required, but consultant, if he is a functional consultant, he can manage all the things from SAC Cloud. Data analyzer. Data analyzer application is exactly like that. You have a pivot table in your Excel sheet. From Excel sheet, you are managing the pivot table. So also it's giving you the insight to the data. Digital boardroom is a application, big application, that big screens. If you have 3 to 4 screens, and the directors, if they are doing a meeting, and they can manage their stories at there. Data sets, from here again we have connections. From connections we can get. Modular is application that we have the in SAP data saved in the tables. From tables, it is making a semantic layer. That semantic layer is easy. You can fetch the data to report or story very easily. From the complex data to the logical data and simple columns. And from simple columns, we are building the stories. Data actions also on the calendar, we can put that at this date or at this date, create a sequence of structure changes to planning data. So it's planning data is automatically changing that with the dates, such as copying the data, performing the allocation, and running the scripts formula. Allocations, value driven, and other things are not related. And just here home, if I want this, yeah, manage this in this way. If I'm going to delete this from here, in here, profile home screen. If I want to change the home screen setting here, collaboration. Collaboration is communication between our colleagues. They're using it. How we can make graph and other things. Files. Right now, any question, because almost within 2 minutes I'm closing. If you have any question, please ask. And one thing again, I'm telling you, if you attend this course, it's not a training. Training, we will give you motivation, also advice, and how to reach to the success point. We will give you the direction also. Coaching means that you will be expert for that area. Not only you are getting the training, and after training you will be nowhere and you will feel that you did not get any kind of expertise. If on screen, if you are watching the training, that means that you are getting the information only. But if you are doing the practice, definitely, if one person he want to learn how to drive a car, so he will not take the training on the YouTube or online trainings. Definitely he need to drive the car for hours, and then he will be expert for that. Also, we will support you. We will be in contact you for the lifetime, that if you have any query, that we can answer you. We will fix the goals that you have to reach at the target with the certification and with the career. And even we have a group of our consultants. They are working at very good companies and they are asking for the resources. We can direct you to that resources. Like that, I have trained more than 200 consultants. Mostly they are in region of Saudi Arabia and Middle East and US, America, and in Pakistan, India. And definitely they are asking me that we need this initial level or expert level consultants. So we are managing to divert our people. So we will make a community that we will be in touch to keep our career, building the careers. So let's close this training. Inshallah, next time we will again see you in the next session. Okay, any question? We will close now. Almost more than 1 hour, 90 minutes gone for this demo training. Any person, if you want to ask a question, please ask me.
Hi, maybe I will join again because I didn't follow some of the topics. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's all. Not a question. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Welcome. Okay, I'm closing the meeting. Thanks for all attending
Thank you.
the meeting. Thank you. Welcome.